couple days away from giving away this beautiful 1970 C10, and we're listing down some of our favorite things about this truck. And we couldn't have a complete list without talking about the inside of this truck and the actual drivability of it. So the interior of this truck is really special. This thing was all done up by Velocity Restorations, full custom interior job, and it shows. I mean, just in everything that you look at inside of this truck, and just taking a look around, it's immediately apparent everywhere. You can look at the instrument panel and see, hey, right away, this is a C10. This is what the instrument panel looks like. But these are all Dakota Digital gauges. They're all brand new. They're all digital. They've got every piece of information that you're gonna need right there. We also moved to an upgraded steering column. It's a tilt column with this really cool steering wheel on here, and everything's billet. So all the controls that you touch in here are billet. And we moved the key to the column as opposed to in the dash. These seats are custom seats by Velocity Restorations. They also did custom door panels. So as you look right here, everything's billet. The armrest is there, door handle's there, window crank is there. The air conditioning control, actually vents are fully integrated and look like normal where these vents would be on a C10. There's extra vents here in the dash, and the RestoMod air controls are right here, but just really nicely integrated. And the dash is full custom and painted this satin black to match. The dash itself is custom wrapped, leather wrapped up here, and matches perfectly the center console, which is custom built for this truck. It has cup holders, which I love. In 1970, they didn't put cup holders in really anything. You weren't driving through a Starbucks and getting a latte, or even just putting your phone in there, or throwing your keys in there, or whatever else. It's just a great place to stash extra stuff. Continuing on the center console, you've got the Kenwood touchscreen navigation and infotainment system. So that governs all of your audio. And then right above that is the RideTech controller, which is for the ride height. We did a separate video on the suspension and the Air Ride RideTech unit. And then here's the FiTech unit. We mounted it right here, so you've got easy controls. That has a whole nother set of gauges that match this set of gauges, and just tell you everything that's going on inside of the truck as it's running. This custom center console is really cool. Can stash extra stuff in here. This whole thing is really well made. Nice felt on the inside, and it's got some power adapters in here if you need to plug anything in down here. So overall, the truck is really comfortable. It's a full custom interior. The roof up here matches the dash. It's this flat black, which really goes with the overall color scheme, and I think matches that truck bed where we did the custom bed liner. It's just really comfortable, and it's really great, and that all makes it really fun to drive. So let's go for a ride. Gotta love how that fuel injected LS just fires right up. And immediately, you know, I'm a big guy, I'm 6'6", so I'm a little bit oversized for this truck, but even so, I comfortably fit in here with the tilt column. I just bump the wheel up like this, and we're ready to roll. This thing is so easy to drive, takes right off, starts right up, and like any of these cars, the ultimate test is, how fun is it to mash that right pedal? So I'm gonna do that, and one lucky winner, probably somebody that's watching this video, is going to be getting the keys to this and is going to get to mash that right pedal as much as they want. So make sure you get those entries at RestoMods.com, and you could be taking off in this 1970 C10 with 20 grand in your pocket.